Okay, now we will start. I'll share you the screen. Do you know what are we gonna study tonight?
No.
Okay, tonight we are going to study about IELTS writing task 2. Okay, so this is the IELTS writing task 2. Okay, so have you ever got this kind of thing? Have you ever had this kind of thing? Like
No.
writing task? Have you ever done writing task before?
I just already done writing task 1.
Writing task 1. Did you write good, well, or not really?
Not really.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. You're here to learn. Okay, let's see the writing task. Okay, you should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Okay, usually on the writing task on IELTS, you should spend about 40 minutes to write the task. So write about the following topic. Can you read the topics, please?
Some people believe that it is good to share as much information as possible in scientific research, business, and the academic world. Others believe that some information is too important or too valuable to be shared freely. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion.
Okay. Yeah, some people believe that it is good to share as much as information possible in scientific research, business, and the academic world. Others believe that some information is too important or too valuable to be shared freely. So discuss about these views and give your own opinion, give reasons for your answer, and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. So usually on the writing task, you have to write like at least 250 words. Okay. Okay. Tao, usually when you want to write, okay, or when you want to write the writing task, what's in your mind when you have read the topic?
I think that this will be my opinions and the discussions about the topic.
Yes. Yeah. All right. You're correct. So this is usually about your opinions. So this is asking about your opinion. And then, yeah, but the first thing is you have to understand the topic. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Very good. Very, very good. So once you have understood the topic, it's going to be much easier for you to write. Okay, so the first important thing is to understand the topic. And then when you have understood about it, think about more information that you can relate with, and then you can write this on the piece of paper. Okay. Some people believe that it is good to share as much information as possible in scientific research. Do you know what scientific research is?
I'm not sure, but I think it look like when we search something on Google.
Okay. Yeah, it is the same as it's quite similar to the Google search, but scientific research is more to the scientific things. For example, like other people's researches are put together in that scientific research. Okay. What about business and the academic world? Do you know what it is?
Um, I think business is the information about companies and academic world is about school life.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the main topic, the scientific research. Okay, I will Yeah, I will mark it for you. So there is one opinion that say it is good to share. Oh, this good. Hmm. Seven. Oh, why is not working? Okay. Okay, there are some people say that it is good. Oh, I don't know why this is not working. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, some people believe that it is good to share as much as information, okay, possible in scientific research. Okay, so that is the first opinion that agrees to share about the scientific research, business, and academic world. But there are also people believing that sharing some information is too important, okay, or too valuable to be shared freely. Okay, so I will prepare it here. Okay, I will prepare here. So yeah, you are going to write like 250 words. But at first, what do you think, or how do you think will you start the topic? What do you think you will write first?
The introduction.
Okay, very good. Yeah, the introduction. What would be your introduction? Do you know the main topic of this topic here?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the main thing?
The main things is good to share as much information uh, as
Okay,
much information in scientific research about business and academic work.
okay. Is that the first important thing? Okay, so
I don't know.
yeah, so the most important thing of this topic is sharing information. Okay, so this is actually the main idea is about the sharing information. Can you read sharing information?
Sharing information.
Okay. What do you think about sharing information?
I think that sharing information is that something that's necessary and
Okay, sharing the information is
necessary and who needs that, and it
necessary.
also
Necessary. Who needs that? And what?
and people who need that information.
Okay, can you say the full sentence, please?
Sharing information is necessary. Um,
Mm-hmm. Necessary.
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, so sharing the information, because the main idea here is to sharing the about the information. So you have to write sharing the information is necessary. Okay, necessary for what? Okay, necessary for what? So sharing the information is necessary for whom? For people, for animals, or for whom?
For people,
Okay, sharing the information is necessary for people. Can you give the reasons why?
um, sharing information is necessary for people because
Because
they can know
they can what?
they can improve their knowledge or um, make their life easier.
Okay, very good. And make their life easier. Okay, very nice. So sharing information is necessary for people because they can improve their knowledge and make their life easier. Okay, so you have made the information about the sharing information. What else can we add here? So sharing the information is necessary for people because they can improve their knowledge and make their life easier. What else?
Um, but sometimes people need to think about
Mm-hmm.
the benefit that information brings.
Okay, sometimes it is crucial to think about the what?
To think about is benefit.
Okay, to think about the benefit of the information shared. Okay, why? Why is it crucial? Can you put more? Why?
Um, can you explain the word crucial?
Crucial
I
means
don't know that.
important. Important is like important. Do you know important? Do you know?
Yeah.
It's like necessary or important. The same.
Yes, because sometimes it is crucial to think about the benefits of the information shared because sometimes that information may be too important or valuable that people cannot know
Okay.
or shouldn't know.
Okay, sometimes it is crucial to think about the benefit of the information shared. Because what?
Because it can be very important or too valuable that people shouldn't know about it.
Okay, because I think it's the repetition. You have to think about why is it crucial to think about the benefit of the information shared. Okay, maybe you can say because um, all the information, okay, all the information um, can be good and because all the inform because the information, oh sorry, because the information, because the information can sometimes can be good and because sometimes the information are good there's information, there's a good information and there is a bad information, right? Yeah, so you can
Yeah.
say because there is there is uh there is good information. Oh, there's good and trusted information, but also there's bad and misleading information. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read this? So sharing.
Sharing the information is necessary for people because they can improve their knowledge and make their life easier. Sometimes it is crucial to think about the benefit of the information shared because there's good and trusted information, but also there's bad and misleading information.
Okay. Okay. So you have made the opening. Okay. So remember the main thing is about the information or sharing the information, and you have made the opening or the opening. So now um yeah, you have mentioned here that it is crucial to think about the benefit of the information shared because there's good and trusted information, but there's we can put here there's also bad and misleading information. Okay, what else can we add?
I think that's
Oh, we can still add more here. What do you think we can add more here?
can we add my opinion?
Yeah, sure.
Because for me, we only need to sharing information if it bring the good benefit to people.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Um, okay. In my concern, what did you say? It is
Um, Only sharing information if
mhm.
it is bring the good benefit. If
Okay, it
it
is
bring the good benefit to people.
okay, it is important to only share information that has values and benefits to people. Okay, very good. Okay, next. So we have done the opening and this or the first paragraph. What do you think we can have more or on the next? Mhm.
Do I need to discuss about both idea or just one?
You need to, because you have done the opening, discuss about the information. Now it is important for you to um, discuss a little bit or to discuss about the scientific research or scientific information, because scientific research is the same as scientific information, business and academic world. Now it's time to discuss these three things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time to discuss these three things. Okay. So we can add here, like to talk about the scientific research or the academic world. Okay. Maybe we can, okay. We can say something like, let me think. Yeah. Benefits. Okay. We can have like, today, okay. Okay. Today, some information, okay, some information is, uh, today, usually, today, the information is usually mixed. Okay, usually mixed. What I want to say here is today the information is usually mixed. That you don't know that this is actually important information or the scientific or academic information because it is mixed with non-academic information. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Today the information is usually mixed together. Together, where scientific, okay, let's see here where science, oh, where scientific information or where the scientific um or business or scientific, what can we say here? The information is usually mixed together where or scientific or academic information, okay, where scientific and academic information mixed together where scientific and academic information. Okay, today the information is usually mixed together where scientific and or academic information is put is usually mixed together. Oh, we can just write in here on the first. Usually the scientific information is usually mixed together with non-important or non or unnecessary information. Okay, can you read that?
Today, the scientific information is usually mixed together with unnecessary information.
Okay, today, today, oh, where is it? Okay. Oh, okay. Today, the scientific information is usually mixed together with unnecessary information. Okay. What else can you add? Because you know that today the scientific information is usually mixed together with unnecessary information. What else? What's gonna be the problem when the scientific information is mixed with the unnecessary information?
I think that if scientific information mixed with unnecessary one. It will be difficult for people um, to know about
Mm-hmm.
the main ideas.
Okay. This could make people difficult to this could make people difficult to what?
Difficult to find the information
Okay.
that they should know.
Okay. The information that they should know. Okay. Okay, we can add more as well. Like also the scientists, okay, the scientists or okay, we can say the scientists or and researchers, okay, because this could make people difficult to find information that they should know. And also the scientists, do you know scientists and the researchers?
Yes.
Okay, sometimes yeah, these people are making the scientific research, business and academic paper, and sometimes because it is mixed and people are difficult to find the right information that they should know or read, and also the scientific scientists and the researchers um, are gone away. Okay, you know what I mean? Like gone away because their research or their writing or their paper is just mixed together. Okay, it's just mixed together with non-necessary information. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can see here that the scientists and the researchers um okay, we can say here feel bad. Okay, it's usually mixed together. Oh, or we can just add here information they should know. Okay, this could make people difficult to find the information that they should know. What else do you think? Let's see, some people believe that it is good to share information. Oh, where is it? Oh, yeah. Today, the scientific information is usually mixed together with unnecessary information. This could make people difficult to find information that they should know. Also, the researchers um, can not. Okay, what do you think we can add here? Do you have any ideas?
I have no idea about the researcher.
Okay. Today, the scientific information is usually mixed together with unnecessary information. This could make people difficult to find information that they should know. Also, uh, there is, okay, you can say also, okay, even the scientists are, okay, you can say here, also even the scientists feel free to share their information. Even the scientists feel free to share their information. They sometimes, or they they can feel that the information they have found out with um, with research, the research, with the long research, the long research. Okay, this could make people difficult to find the information that they should know. Also, even the scientists feel free to share their information. They can also feel that the information they found out, okay, with a long, they can also feel that the information they have found out with a long research with a long research,
I think that maybe sometimes they can feel that the information they found out
mhm,
with the long research may be boring for the reader,
okay.
so they add some unnecessary information.
What I wanted to say here is even the scientists feel free to share their information. They can also feel that the information they have found out with a long research um, doesn't have, okay, the long research do not have values anymore. Okay, do not have values anymore. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Also, even when the scientists feel free to share their information, they can also feel that the information they have found out with the long research do not have values anymore. What else? What else do you think we can write?
Um,
Okay, but first I want to ask you, do you agree? Do you agree with the, okay, do you agree with this statement that says it's good to share as much as information as possible, or do you agree with this that others believe that some information is too important or too valuable to be shared freely? Which one do you choose?
I think that's good to share as much of information as possible.
It's good to share as much as information as possible. Okay, very good. Also, even the scientists feel very blah, blah. Okay, so you can put here. On the other hand, okay, why do you think you agree to share the information, the scientific information? Why do you agree?
I think that's because the scientists need to cloud out the information with long research, and when they share that information to people, uh, they can know about I think the universe around them, and
Oh yeah, I can
scientists
understand.
maybe can brag for her or his work.
Okay. Yeah. So we can say that on the other hand, the researcher or the scientists would um the scientist. Oh, on the other hand, it is no problem. It is not a problem to share scientific scientific information freely, because people can get an access to it easier, and so they can, okay, they can what?
I think that they can understand better about the universe around them.
Yeah, so they can understand better about the universe verse around them. Very good. What else?
I think that if that information from the scientist is valuable and have a lot of benefits for people, and
Mhm.
maybe that scientist will be the encourage more.
Ah, okay. Moreover, um, if the scientific information is uh, is shared, is known publicly, and valuable for people to read, this can encourage this can encourage them to what? This can encourage them to,
I'm thinking about that.
okay, this can encourage them to make more, okay, to make more or what? Mm-hmm.
I think that this can encourage them to try and discover more.
To try, very good. To try and discover more. Okay, so we can write here to sum up. So to sum up, do you know the meaning of to sum up?
Yes,
Okay, to sum up all about it. Okay, what can we sum up from the writing we have done? What can you sum up?
I think that information shares only good when it um, has value and benefits for people.
To sum up about it, can you repeat?
The information shared only good when it has the benefits and
Hmm.
values to people.
Okay, the information shared can have benefits when what?
Can have benefits when it
Okay, when
has values and when it has the valued and good for people.
and good for people or what?
Yeah.
Okay, therefore, mhm, therefore, or enough until good for people. Do you want to add more or enough until good for people?
Therefore, um, people should share their information
Okay, share the information
to have each other discover about the world
to have what?
to help
To help each other to discover,
to discover and better understand about the world.
okay, and understand better about
The world.
the world. Okay, more? You want to add more? Put it
Mm,
in here.
I have no idea.
Okay, but this is great. Okay, so I think it's 250 words. Yeah, this is great. Okay, do you understand about this?
Yes, but I need about 2 minutes to write it down in my book.
Ah,
Notebook.
okay. Yeah, sure. Go for it. Oh, but first write also the topic. Okay, write the topics first. Write
Okay.
this first, and then write the answer. Let me know when you're finished. Okay.
Okay. I'm done with the topic. I'm finished.
You finished?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Do you have something that you don't understand from here?
Teacher,
Yes.
you give her some question and then tell her how to answer from
Yeah.
this writing.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Yeah.
teacher.
You're welcome. Okay. Thao, I want to ask you first. Do you understand all about the writing here?
Um, yes, but I don't know this word.
Uh, access. Access means to go through. You know, for example, a I can access a hospital. It means I can go in to the hospital. Okay, access means to go through. To go through. To go through. Okay, what else? When you understand all, then I will give you some questions.
Yeah, I understand all.
You understand all?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, are you ready for the questions?
Yeah.
Okay. But before that, I want you to read it first. Okay, to read it fluently. Okay, while I'm thinking of the questions. Okay, so read it from the first paragraph till the last. I want to hear how you can read it, and then
Okay.
I will give you questions.
Sharing the information is necessary for people because they can improve their knowledge and make their life easier. Sometimes it is crucial to think about the benefits of the information shared because there's good and trusted information, but there are also bad and misleading information. In my concerns, it is important to only share information that has value and benefit to people. Today, the scientific information is usually mixed together with unnecessary information. This could make people difficult to find information that they should know. Also, even scientists feel free to share the information. They can also feel that the information they have found out with long research do not have values anymore. On the other hand, it is not a problem to share the scientific information freely because people can get an access to it easier so they can understand better about the universe around them. Moreover, if the scientist information is now known publicly and valuable for people to read, this can encourage them to try and discover more. To sum up all about this, the information shared can have benefits when it has values and good for people. Therefore, people should share the information to help each other to discover and understand better about the world.
Okay, very good, Tal. My first question is, why do you think that sharing the information, or why do you think uh, you can only share valuable information that can benefit people? Why do you think it's important to only share valuable information?
I think that when sharing the valuable and the information that had benefits, it will help people to improve their knowledge or their way of life. And sometimes the information will help them to discover and understand more about the world and universe.
Okay, very good. And my second question is, what happens, okay, what happens when the information is mixed, or when the scientific information is mixed with the unnecessary one? What's gonna happen?
The information mixed together with the unnecessary information will make people difficult to find out the information that they should know, and sometimes that information will be quite difficult to understand.
Okay. And do you think the